there's about 12 other cars I'd rather drive than that one in front of us. I love the sound of a dry clutch underneath you. I don't know if the microphone picks that up. That is just the jingle jangle of enjoyment underneath the machine. This 2009 Monster just recently hit 20,000 miles. It had like 4,000 on it when I bought it. That was, I want to say that was 2021 when I bought it, maybe 22, 2021 I wasn't allowed to buy a motorcycle. So I bought it early in 22. Right now, with it being springtime, I have the itch to buy a new motorcycle. My wife's going to be very angry if I buy a motorcycle right now. I made a terrible purchase buying a Mini Cooper. That was the biggest mistake of my life. I will never own another Mini Cooper. What a piece of crap car. The leaves are turning green now. They're growing out. It's pretty up here. It's pretty up here. Alright. Oh my God, I'm not getting in front. I'm not waiting for a side-by-side. If you're going to rent a side-by-side in the mountains, at least have your driver's license before you do it. Take the whole driveway to exit, the whole driveway. Big fatty.